Hello students, today we'll do exercise 1.1 question number 15. Now a person A has to send a message to B. It's a plain message. So he uses the encoded matrix, encryption matrix, and convert the message into a sequence of row matrices of numbers. That is only 2, minus 3, 20 and 4. So it is the message that is converted into a sequence of row matrices of numbers, and the matrix that he used is a non-singular matrix that is also given. So 2 minus 3 and 24 is the message converted by the person A into unreadable form. Okay, so in between nobody can read it, so it is in the unreadable form. So the encryption process, it has gone through the encryption process using the encryption matrix, that is the matrix is minus 1, 2 and 1. So this is the matrix he used. It is a non-singular matrix. So the message he is going to send is given as a row of numbers, that is 2 minus 3, 24. That is a message. Now the person B has to receive the message, right? So what he should do is he has to decode the message. The receiver will decode the message by the reverse key, that is post multiplying by the inverse of the matrix given by the person A. So receiver will decode the message by how he decodes, with the inverse of the given matrix, the encoded matrix. So how he is doing that, let us see. So he has to decode it. So the matrix, encoded matrix given is minus 1, 2 and 1. He has to find, the person B, the receiver has to find the inverse of the matrix E. So 1 by determinant of E into adjoint of E. It is a non-singular matrix, that is the condition. He has to use only a non-singular matrix. The person A has to use only a non-singular matrix. Okay, so the determinant is minus 1, minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, and adjoint, you all know, interchange the elements of the principal diagonal and sign, change the sign. So that is equal to 1. The determinant is 1, adjoint is 1, minus 2, minus 1, that is the inverse, E inverse. Now he has to multiply the message matrix. The message matrix is, what is the message matrix? 2 minus 3, he has to multiply by, is post multiply by, that is also a secret key given by the sender. So 1, 1, minus 2, minus 1 is multiplying. It is a 1 by 2 and 2 by 2 matrix. So the product will be a 1 by 2 matrix. So you get 2 plus 6, that is getting 8. And 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, so it's getting it as 8 and 5. The second message matrix is 24. 20 and 4. It is also a 1 by 2 matrix. So is multiplying by the adjoint inverse, that is 1 minus 2 minus 1. Here adjoint is equal to the inverse. Determinant is 1 here. So it is getting the answer 20 minus 8, that is 12 and 16. So the sequence of decoded row matrix. So he is getting a sequence of matrices now: 8, 5, 12, 16. 12 and 16. Now the basic code that is given in the question is 0 for space, A for 1, B is 2, like that. So 8 will be, you can see in the question, it is given like that. So 8 will become H, 5 will become E, 12 is L, and 16 is P. So the message received by B is HELP, that is B. So B decoded the message by using the inverse of the encryption matrix. So this process is called decryption. Thank you.